Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and I don't know why this form builder was still hidden from me. Like, this is the best. Now you may ask why. So think of it like Notion and Typeform had joined and made a baby. This looks just like it. Like, it has functionality and coolness like Notion, and accessibility like Typeform. How number like it's way greater. Like, I'm really excited to show you this, and let's go through all of its all of its details and all of them. Let's just share. Let me just share the window. Okay, share the app website or the platform. First of all, obviously you can see they have illustrations like Notion, like not just exact copy, but similar kind of pattern is followed here. The simplest way to create prompts, and this is seriously the simplest way. As you can see, they are writing just like writing contents as if they are writing in it in Notion, and also the backslash works for creating form fills and all. See, now, one thing you may ask, what are the pricing? Now, before going into pricing, let me just like drag over here and show you what is available. So, in the free section, like Tally is a new type of form builder, works like doc. It and what are the free features? That is unlimited forms, unlimited submission, collect payment as well. Now they will charge for the payment gateway in like if you attach the payment gateway, that's okay, but they're gonna charge on top of that as well. File upload up to 10 MB, custom thank you page, email notification, redirect on completion, form logic, calculator, hidden fields, a lot of things. Answer piping, schedule a close date, close on submission limit, custom closed message, Notion integration, Airtable integration. So basically, you can use Notion data table as a database, or Airtable as a database, or Google Sheets as a database, as you can see it over here. Introgmat integration, Zapier integration, and webhooks as well, and many more that you can see over here in the feature section. For the feature section, I think they have used Notion or what, I don't know. Here you can see the detailed list of feature is over here. Choose from over 20 input blocks. So they have 20 input blocks as of now. I think they will add more and more, but that's not the thing. And you must ask what is the pricing. So pricing is $29 per month, a single plan, I think. And pretty much it. You can use it for everything. And see like how it is creating a whole page for you. Like how cool that is, right? Something, this is really something different, because they are building a whole page, like a Notion page for you. So like you can upload anything here, like add logo, add covers, and this looks and feel like Notion. So if you are integrating something in your Notion site, it will be easier for you to integrate all of those into the platform, right? Pretty much great. Like no code tools are really booming right now. Really great, really great. I loved it. I really, really love this platform. And I have obviously logged in over here to use it as well. And I'm gonna let you know how much I liked it or not. And you can see some of the forms here as well that is made in here. Okay. So great, great. I'm loving it. I'm seriously loving it. Whatever. That's it for this video. If you want me to go through one of the how to use it and all, I can do that, but that doesn't make sense because they have better tutorial than me, because obviously they are making the platform, they wanted you to use it in like best way possible. So yeah, see here is the thing, 5% payment commission on their payments. And if you opt for the opt for pricing pro plan, there will be no pricings at all. And whenever we are going through all of this, let's see the pricing as well. See, $29 per month or $290 per year. That's pretty much it. Nothing else. So that's it for this video. If you like my channel in general, please do subscribe to. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. I keep on sharing a lots of stuff like this. That is really great. Whatever. That's it for this video. And if you know about some other platforms like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below so I can feature them in my future video as well. One thing this doesn't have, that is APIs, but obviously that it's supposed not supposed to have, because that is something different. Whatever. Bye.